On this Rewind report, we take a look at the Flurry Beam by Blizzard Lighting.
Oh, yeah.
Hello, I'm DJ Michael Joseph, and welcome to the Rewind report. Today, we are taking a look at a very cool product from Blizzard Lighting. Designed for life on the road, the Flurry Beam is a high-performance moving head beam fixture. It weighs in at just under 8 pounds and measuring approximately 8 inches by 8 inches by 12 inches, including its built-in intelligent fan cooling system. This dazzling light gets its twinkle from a 60-watt RGBW LED with a sharp 2.5 beam angle, smooth dimming, and strobe effect. The Flurry Beam has a forward and optional reverse 540-degree pan, 220-degree tilt with pan tilt correction and trim adjustment. Control all of that panning and tilting in sound active mode using its 4-button LCD control panel or directly with 14 channels of DMX. Let's not forget all of this is covered by Blizzard's 2-year limited warranty. If you want to find out more about the Flurry Beam or any other Blizzard Lighting products, stop by blizzardlighting.com. And as always, I encourage you to like, share, and subscribe to videos. Till next time, this is DJ Michael Joseph saying take care and God bless.